anniversary sa inyo, okay? And also once again, ang lahat ay iniimbitahan para sa K5 Zumbakbakan Zumba Competition. Kaya Zumbakbakan, ano? By 88.7 K5 News FM and in partnership with Arnold Vega Friab, Anak ng Gapo, and Tibers Marine Services. This will be on January 31. Pre-registration is still ongoing. Okay, so you may message us on the K5 News FM Facebook page. Mag-message lang po kayo sa Messenger kung gusto nyo sumali, ha? Or call us up here at the station din. Or punta kayo dito para mag-register kung gusto nyo rin. Pero mas madali, online naman pwede, no? Okay? Visit our Facebook page. Nandoon yung QR link, QR code na pwede nyong i-scan para makapag-register kayo. The champion, the grand winner will win 7,000 pesos. Wow! First runner-up, 5,000. And second runner-up, 3,000 pesos. So join now. Now na. Go. The K5 News FM Zumbakbakan. Ayan, happening January 31 once again. You're all invited, ha? Kung gusto nyo manood. Pwede rin, okay? Pwede kayong manood po. And once again, I would like to just congratulate ulit ang ating dear station manager, Eileen Cuevas Sanchez, and the entire K5 family. Congratulations, bronze medal for in terms of sales award ang ating K5 Olongapo. All right. Maraming salamat sa mga supporters natin, yung naniniwala, nagtitiwala sa ating K5 News FM. Okay? And Recycling Day. Our friends from SBMA Ecology Center this time would like to invite you. Okay, Recycling Day in QB is gonna be on January 25. Saturday yan. 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And it will be, it's gonna be at the old PX Club. If you guys are familiar, may lumang PX Club. Toy Kingdom dati yun eh, sa QB, ano? The vacant lot beside the old PX Club. Okay? Saturday, January 25, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. This is in partnership with Fuchi Trading and Tetra Pak Philippines. Bring your used beverage cartons, or UBC as we call it, and other recycling materials, recyclable materials. Don't forget to clean and dry them before putting in the recycling bins. Tapos kailangan segregated to, hindi halo-halo. Wala ring food waste, okay? Let's segregate our waste for a zero waste and carbon neutral Freeport. Ayan, the announcement for you coming from the SBMA Ecology Center. For inquiries, visit their Facebook page, ha? Baka may mga inquiries kayo about ecology and sa Subic Bay Freeport to, ha? And the landline hotline number is 252-4059. And if you're having trouble dialing 252-4059, pwede nyo gamitin yung access code na 047 047-252-4059. Okay, so that's the announcement. And by the way, again, reminder for you from the SBMA Ecology Center, January is Zero Waste Month. So let's all observe. Diba? It will make a whole world of difference if magiging zero waste. Hindi lang yung January. All months of the year, diba? So let's all recycle. Okay, final batch now of shoutouts and our answers to tonight's question of the night. Sinong celebrity ang pangarap mong maging jowa? Jowa talaga, no? Yung gusto mong maging, makadate man lang. Alam nyo, in the US, meron silang kung tawagin ay free pass. Yan, alam nyo yung how it goes? If you have a boyfriend or girlfriend or wife or husband, meron silang dinideclare na free pass. Parang nagtatanungan sila, honey, who's your free pass? Celebrity yan usually, di ba? Sasabihin ng lalaki, kunyari, my free pass is sino ba? Wala akong maisip eh. Sino ba magandang celebrity? Wala kasing maganda eh, kundi si Ruby Rose. Kunyari, sasabihin ko, honey, ang free pass ko, kunyari, si Ariana Grande. Yun. Tapos siya naman, ang naging free pass niya, kunyari, si Tom Cruise. Di ba? Hindi si DJ Tommy J. Ano pa yun? Si Tom Cruise. Oh, kunyari, mamit mo sila at mag-date kayo or do whatever you wanna do. Free pass mo yun. Walang hindi magagalit. Okay? Free pass. Yan. Pero kailangan i-declare mo kay Mahal. Dahil pag di mo di-declare, yari ka. si Mahal din, yari sa'yo. Siyempre, di niya di-declare di ba? Meron silang ganun. Ayan. So, eto, related doon, nakwento ko lang, related doon yung ating question for tonight. Sinong yung celebrity na pangarap maging jowa or makadate man lang? Ayan, okay? Sabi ni Jeremiah. Uy, Jeremiah. Ang celebrity po na gusto kong makadate ay si Sue Ramirez. Oh, dahil malakas ang appeal niya para sa akin at napaka-stunning ng kanyang beauty. Stunning. So, nung nakita mo yung beauty niya, na-stun ka, no? Si Sue Ramirez. Ayan. Ay, nabalitaan niyo ba yun, no? Yung balita na niligawan daw yan ni Charlie Puth nung dumalaw si Charlie Puth dito noon. Tinawagan niya. Gusto niya makadate si Sue Ramirez. Pero nag-decline daw si Sue Ramirez. Ayaw niya. Oo. Daw siligawan siya. Ayaw niya. Binasted niya, pare. Kasi daw, pag nagkatuluyan sila, magiging... Siyempre, dadali niya yung apelido ni Charlie Puth, di ba? Magiging siya si Sue Puth. Hinugot yan sa sa... Hinugot yan sa storya ni Beth Tamayo no? Tapos liligawan daw siya ni Kenny Loggins, yung singer. Kilala niyo si Kenny Loggins, yung kumanta na Meet me halfway across the sky. Yan yung kinakanta, yung kanta na sinasayaw ni Gulapa, yung nagmamacho dancer, di ba? Ayun. Tapos siya rin yung kumanta ng Gonna get loose, put loose, kick up your Sanjay shoes. Yun, si Kenny Loggins, liligawan daw si Beth Tamayo. Binasted ni Beth Tamayo. Pag nagkatuluyan sila, magiging si Beth Loggins. Siya, we're out of time already. Pero bago ako magpaalam, may isang munang imbitasyon para sa inyong lahat. Si Kuya DJ Eric Nash, Emerson Benko. Yan, okay. Ito yung kanyang imbitasyon.